Hello, friends. Today, I want to share something that isn't often spoken about, something that could completely transform the way you approach life. Most people are searching for success, happiness, and fulfillment, yet they never realize that the power to achieve all of it already exists within them. What I'm about to share is simple, yet it's a truth that's often overlooked or dismissed because it doesn't come dressed in complexity. Let's get straight into this idea that could redefine how you see your world and yourself. The foundation of everything you achieve or fail to achieve lies in your thoughts. This isn't just motivational fluff, it's the unshakable reality of life. Everything you see around you, every situation you're in, and every opportunity you experience stems from the ideas you entertain in your mind. Thoughts are not passive, they are active forces. They shape the way you act, influence the people you attract, and determine the outcomes you experience. What most people don't realize is the profound effect of their habitual thinking. If you constantly think about lack, struggle, or obstacles, that's precisely what you'll encounter. On the other hand, if your mind is filled with thoughts of abundance, opportunity, and success, you'll naturally move toward those things. This isn't wishful thinking, it's the way life works. You become what you think about most of the time. But here's the catch, and this is where people often get stuck. Knowing this isn't enough. You must train your mind, just as you would train your body, to align your thoughts with the life you want to live. And training your mind doesn't mean you have to constantly monitor every single thought, it means you develop a clear vision of what you desire and hold on to it with unwavering focus. Think about it this way, your mind is like fertile soil. Whatever seeds you plant in it will grow. If you plant weeds, negative, doubtful, or fearful thoughts, they'll take over your mental garden. But if you plant seeds of belief, possibility, and abundance, those will flourish instead. The key is to be intentional about the seeds you're planting. One of the most powerful tools you have at your disposal is visualization. When you vividly picture yourself achieving your goals, living the life you desire, and overcoming challenges, you're doing more than daydreaming. You're conditioning your mind to see that reality as not only possible but inevitable. Visualization helps you create a mental blueprint that your actions and circumstances will naturally follow. Now, let's talk about action. Many people hear the idea that thoughts create reality and think they can simply sit back and wish for things to happen. But that's not how it works. Thought without action is like planning a journey without ever taking a step. Once your mind is set on a clear goal, your job is to act in alignment with that vision. Take steps, big or small, every single day that move you closer to the reality you've imagined. What's truly remarkable is how life responds when you start acting in harmony with your vision. Opportunities that seemed out of reach will begin to appear. People who can help you along the way will cross your path. Circumstances will shift to support your efforts. This is not magic, it's the result of aligning your internal world, your thoughts and beliefs, with your external actions. But here's the thing no one ever really emphasizes. The process of transformation isn't always comfortable. In fact, it can feel downright difficult at times. You may have to let go of old habits, outdated beliefs, or even people who no longer support your growth. It's easy to cling to the familiar, even when it doesn't serve you. But if you're serious about creating a new reality, you must be willing to release anything that holds you back. One of the most liberating realizations you can have is that you don't need anyone else to give you permission to succeed. You don't need approval, validation, or acceptance from anyone. The only person who has the power to decide what's possible for you is you. When you take full responsibility for your life, everything changes. Another truth that's often overlooked is the importance of gratitude. It's not just about feeling thankful for the good things in your life, it's about recognizing that you already have the tools and resources you need to create more. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant. And when you focus on abundance, you naturally attract more of it. This is where most people miss out. They think, I'll be grateful when I achieve my goals. But that's backward. Gratitude is the starting point, not the destination. When you cultivate a sense of gratitude now, even in the midst of challenges, you align yourself with the energy of abundance. And that alignment creates momentum. Let's touch on one final principle that's often ignored but is crucial to your success: persistence. The truth is, many people give up just before they reach the breakthrough they've been working toward. Success rarely comes in a straight line, it often looks like a winding path with setbacks and detours. But those setbacks are not failures, they're part of the process. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger, wiser, and more capable. When you persist, even when it feels like nothing is working, you demonstrate to yourself and the world that you're serious about your vision. And life rewards that kind of determination. Life often presents itself as a series of challenges and opportunities that test the strength of your character. To succeed, you must cultivate certain qualities that act as the pillars of a fulfilled life. One of these qualities is decisiveness. Many people drift through life, hesitating at every turn, unsure of what they want or how to proceed. This hesitation creates a ripple effect, leading to missed opportunities and stagnant progress. Being decisive doesn't mean you'll always make the right choice, but it does mean you'll take action. Action, even imperfect, is better than inaction, which leads nowhere. Another often underestimated factor in success is adaptability. The world is constantly changing, and the ability to adjust your mindset and approach to align with new circumstances is invaluable. Adaptability isn't about abandoning your goals or values, it's about finding new paths when the old ones are blocked. Those who remain rigid in their methods often find themselves left behind, while those who adapt thrive. Equally important is the ability to cultivate meaningful connections. Success isn't achieved in isolation. The people you surround yourself with play a significant role in shaping your mindset and energy. Seek relationships that inspire growth, challenge complacency, and encourage the best version of yourself. At the same time, be mindful of relationships that drain your energy or reinforce limiting beliefs. It's okay to distance yourself from what no longer aligns with your aspirations. Self-discipline is another cornerstone of creating the life you want. While motivation might give you a burst of energy, it's discipline that ensures consistent progress. Discipline isn't glamorous, but it's what separates those who merely dream from those who achieve. Whether it's maintaining healthy habits, sticking to a routine, or resisting distractions, self-discipline builds the foundation for sustained success. Train your mind to focus on what you want, not what you fear. Use visualization to create a clear mental picture of your goals. Take consistent action, even when it's uncomfortable. Cultivate gratitude for what you have and what's on its way. And above all, persist. These principles aren't complicated, but they require commitment. They demand that you take control of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions and align them with the life you want to create. And when you do, you'll discover that the power to change your life was within you all along. This isn't a theory, it's a fact. You are the creator of your reality. Start today, and watch what happens. Lastly, cultivate an attitude of curiosity. Life is full of possibilities, and the more curious you are, the more likely you are to discover opportunities you might have otherwise overlooked. Curiosity keeps your mind open to learning, exploring, and growing in ways that enrich your journey. As we come to the end of this discussion, take a moment to reflect on how these ideas resonate with you. The path to creating the life you desire isn't about complicated formulas or secrets hidden from view. It's about harnessing simple truths and applying them with consistency and focus. Decisiveness, adaptability, meaningful relationships, discipline, and curiosity are all tools within your reach. If you found value in this conversation, here's something important: ideas like these grow stronger when shared. So, if this message has inspired you or sparked a new way of thinking, don't keep it to yourself. Share this knowledge, act on it, and watch how it transforms not only your life but also the lives of those around you. Subscribe to this channel if you'd like to explore more powerful ideas like these. Each time you tune in, you'll gain tools and insights to elevate your perspective and potential. Let's keep the dialogue alive. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. I'm always eager to hear what you're thinking and what topics resonate with you the most. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who might need a little extra inspiration today. A single share could be the nudge they need to start creating the life they've always wanted. Finally, make sure you've hit the notification bell after subscribing. That way, you won't miss any of the thought-provoking content we have lined up for you in the future. Thank you for being part of this conversation today. Your time and attention mean more than words can express. Now, go out there and take the first step toward the life you deserve. You've got everything you need within you.